Welcome to day 25. Today we are looking at case statements. Case statements. Now, what are case statements? It actually lets you apply logic and conditional formatting to your result. You could use case statement in SQL to apply logic and conditional formatting to your result. So with case, you can dynamically categorize or label your data. Now let's see how it works. First, we are going to categorize files based on rental duration. So we are going to select title, rental duration. I'm going to select the title and rental duration. And then we are going to bring in our case. Now, what is the case? Indent 4 times when rental duration is less than or equal to 3, then short term. You will see the logic I'm talking about. Then short term, when rental duration between 4 and 6, then medium term, medium term, else long term. Then you have to end it. So I'm ending it. End as rental duration category. Rental duration category. And then I could now include my from theme. So we selected title and rental duration, but this selection we didn't directly select it from our theme table. We applied logic and condition. Now select this based on this condition where rental duration is less than or equal to 3 is short, rental duration between 4 and 6, then medium term, else anything that does not belong to this is long term. Then we ended it as rental duration. So the case allows you to do conditional logic. Then when then, you could see this when and then, define conditions and what value to return. And then this else provide a default value if none of these conditions match. So now let's run this query. Let's run our query. Oh, a typo error from my side. It's actually rental duration. So you could see now, I selected title, I selected rental duration, then I gave it a condition or logic, and then the column is rental duration category according to the logic I applied. So this is what actually case does for you. So you notice how each film is categorized into short term, medium term, or long term based on rental duration. So this makes your data more meaningful and easier to interpret. More meaningful and easier to interpret. This is how lovely the case statement is. Why don't you try it on your end and leave a comment for me on what you think about the case statement. Thank you very much. This is the end of our day 25. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.